Hello, I'm Michelle from Protein Software. I will introduce you to the SMTP address removal part of Account Manager for Microsoft 365, known as AMM365. Under certain conditions, such as a change of domain, a legal decision, or a simple cleaning of your accounts, you will be asked to delete an email domain on all or some of your users. Whether your server is Exchange on-premise or your user accounts are synchronized with Azure Ad Connect, AMM365 will allow you to perform this operation in a few clicks. Let's see how. Let's take our OU accounting as an example. Users of this OU have multiple SMTP addresses. The SMTP address that we want to delete in our case will be that of the contoso.com domain. It is possible to delete it one by one simply by clicking on this proxy addresses part. Click on the SMTP tab, then on the Remove SMTP Address tab. Here we will enter the SMTP domain to delete. Then we will choose a default SMTP domain that will be used as the main one in case there is no main SMTP address after the deletion. Let's choose the OU in which we want to make the changes. In our case, the OU accounting. We also have several options, like changing UPN. The UPN suffix will also change if the SMTP domain is contoso.com. It will be changed to the default SMTP domain, domain.com. And also the possibility to change the email address of the user's account if contoso.com was used, either using the default SMTP domain or removing the email address. Let's do a test to check our settings. As a reminder, a test does not modify any information in the Active Directory. So we see for the user Alexandra Rue, the SMTP address rue@contoso.com will be deleted and her UPN will not be changed. To apply these changes, click on Go. Now let's check in the Active Directory. We can clearly see that the SMTP addresses for the contoso.com domain have disappeared. This is how, thanks to AMM365, we removed all SMTP addresses from a specific domain in an entire OU in just a few clicks, without having to develop, test and validate a single-use script. AMM365 is really a tool that will save you time on mass modification tasks. Do not hesitate to ask us your questions or give your opinions directly on our site and to visit our other videos online. Thank you and see you soon at www.am365.com.